I'm gonna need another tripod here because this isn't tall enough. Hi, this is my empty house tour, and this is going to be my new set. So I want to take you around, show you a little bit before we put anything in here. It is good to see you, and it is good to be back. So welcome to the old home. Let me show you now.
So lots goes on here in the kitchen, a lot of meal prep, bonding time with family members. Love this window, can't wait to show you what I did with this area. So the family room is gonna be great in the winter, nice and cozy, and snuggle up for a movie. So this is definitely an open area, somewhat, and this dining area is gonna need some creative solutions. And again, it attaches right here to the family room. So here is my son's room. He's all excited because look at that sliding glass door. He gets to go out to the balcony. Don't worry, he can't go far. We're up on the 10th floor. Definitely want to make this room a priority for him for his sanctuary. And of course the hall bath may not seem real important, but it is good for guests and for self-care. So look who gets the largest room here. This will be a project all on its own. And so maybe the important room for me is the master bedroom. I'm going to talk about this later, but I have a lot of sleeping issues. Subject we're definitely going to expand on. Now we have a separate private balcony out here, which is nice. Just kind of extends the living space and gets me out into nature when I have a chance. So much going on here, and I'm excited to bring this all to you, along with the purpose of each room and why we decorate the way we do. So here at The Ordered Home, we strive to create purposeful places in your home to be productive. And by putting systems in place, you can save money and you can also save time. And of course, time is money, right?
Okay, that's better. Figured it out. Well, that escalated quickly. Now, to clean up the mess. Let me show you what I have and what the plan is.